Webcams. Let's check in on Kennebunk. It is snowing there thanks to our partners at Stream State. They've provided us a bunch of these great cameras. That's the one out of Kennebunk, and this is Topsom. Not coming down particularly hard now, but it's 25 degrees in Topsom. This is one of the few cameras in the state where it is wet. Camden right now 38, as we just mentioned, and there's just rain coming down there. You can even tell by the visibility. We'll check on Congress Square in Portland, and 26, the snow kind of temporarily lightening up. And then here is a look at our tower camera as well, and you pretty much see the same visual there. We have set up, by the way, we have a number, if you've watched our newscast before, where you can text us, and we have a text line today, 207-828-6622. We have it right up here in the office. Dana and I can see it. And if you have any questions, a snow total, a storm report, we thought we'd give this a try. 207-828-6622. You can text us right now and we will answer your question. If we don't see it immediately, we will get to it later in the show. So that's one thing we're going to try in this interactive, hopefully, version of Storm Center.